Yes, and sa mga nakapunta na doon, you can see a view of the Laguna de Bay as well. And this project, ito po, pinaka-importante na pang-come on ninyo kay client. This project has the complete amenities. Palakpakan naman natin ang Eastern Park. So, kompleto yan. Meron tayong view deck, meron tayong pool, basketball court, gym, bike path, di ba? Tayo lang po ang merong amenities na ganito ka-affordable na project. Excited ba kayo?
Yes!
Kaya nyo bang i-offer yan?
Yes!
Yun! Kaya ba natin maging top producer for the next quarter?
Yes!
Diba?
Trabaho tayo.
2.7 million. Okay, so again,
Trabaho
Eastern
tayo.
Park, ayan po ang pangalan ng project natin in Barangay Makamot, Binangonan, Rizal. And we have duplex units. We have townhouse unit A and we have townhouse unit B. Lahat po ng specifications, you will see them in our Google Link Drive online and real-time inventory. So kahit tulog po yung mga nasa marketing natin, you can still offer the project. Nandyan po, online po, real-time inventory. Okay? So again, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. B, for giving details about the name.